I'm here with.
I'm Aniksha.
Really nice to meet you. Are you wearing a fragrance right now?
Oh yeah, I am wearing.
What fragrance are you
I'm wearing Chloe.
Chloe.
I don't remember the name, but it's like Chloe, and yeah, that's what I'm wearing.
And what kind of fragrances do you usually like on men?
I really like Dior Sports and Men. Like more than this Sauvage one, I guess if I'm not wrong, I like the sports one, the Dior Sports one.
The Dior Home Sport?
Yeah.
Okay, I have two men fragrances with me right now. One is expensive and one is slightly more expensive than that.
Okay.
You have to smell them both, rate them, let us know which is more better.
Okay.
This is the first one. How does this smell?
It's good. I feel like it's very strong. Could you like spray it more? It's good, but I don't know. It's not that good.
How does this smell to you?
To me, it's like giving me more of like citrus on the citrusy side. I feel like that.
And how much would you rate this one?
I would rate 7 out of 10.
And do you usually go for fragrances like these on a man?
No, I don't usually go with fragrances like this.
This is the second one. Just give me this one.
Yeah, this is good. This is something like I'd wanna wear because I don't know, it's giving me a fragrance like it'll not go away very quickly. And I am a college going person, so I would go with this. It'll last me all day.
Okay, for your man, not for you. It's
It's for my man, obviously.
okay. How much would you rate this one?
I would rate 9 out of 10.
And which one do you think out of the two is more expensive?
Could you give me this one? I'll go with this one again.
Second one, do you
Yeah.
feel is more? One is niche. You have to smell them both, rate them, and tell us which smells better. Okay, this is the first one.
Nice, not that strong though.
Okay.
Okay.
Not my
Not that. And what kind of fragrance do you usually go for?
very floral.
Floral on men.
Not men.
On,
For us.
these are men fragrances.
But for men, like not this one for sure. Like
Oh, how much would you rate this then?
6, 5.
This is the second one.
This smells really nice.
How about you?
Very masculine.
Very masculine. How much would you rate this one?
I'll rate this a solid 9.
How about you?
9.
If you have to choose one, you are choosing this one.
Yeah.
This is the first one.
Yeah.
How does it smell?
It's got a bit strong.
Strong, more projecting.
Yeah.
How much would you rate this one?
On a scale of 1 to 10, 7.
7.
Yeah.
What kind of fragrance do you usually prefer on men?
On men, yeah, like this, strong ones.
Okay. This is the second one.
This one is more feminine.
The second one.
Yeah.
Okay.
I find it more fruity.
And how much would you rate the second one?
8.
8. And out of the two, which one would you prefer on your man?
It's the first one.
The first one.
Yeah.
And which one do you think is more expensive? You can smell them both again.
I think the first one.
It's more expensive.
Yeah.
One. How does this smell?
Very strong.
Yeah, it's
and
very
masculine.
strong and masculine.
It's not appropriate for summer.
You don't like strong fragrances?
No, not like
It's
it's
very
very hitting, like very
Okay. And how much would you rate this one?
4.5 on 10.
How about
4. Same.
this is the second one. What do you think about this one?
A bit light and like nice, like smells
It's
nice.
very fresh, I think.
Refreshing.
Yeah,
Smells
refreshing
better.
and
How much would you rate?
attractive.
And it's not giving me a headache. That one was giving me-
Yeah. Like
this
it's
smell
like
very masculine?
attractive.
Yeah, it's masculine.
Light masculine but attractive. Like
Matlab, it's better.
it's
I would
better.
prefer this.
Okay. And
yeah.
how much would you rate this one?
7.
7 out of 10.
6.5. 7.
I'll give this 8.5.
8.5. Okay. Out of the two, if you have to choose one, which one would you choose?
Second one.
Second.
Second. And which one do you feel is more expensive?
I guess this one is expensive.
What about you?
I think second.
Second one is more expensive. Okay. So the second one is for 12,000. It's from Dior,
Okay.
and the first one is for 25,000. It's from a niche brand called Amouage. It's based
Okay.
in Oman.
Okay. But I'm going with my favorite Dior, and I'll always go with
Okay, that
this.
is from Dior, designer brand. So that is for 12,000. And this is from Amouage. This is for 25,000. Almost double the price.
First time.
Thank you so much. The first one is from Amouage. It's
Okay.
for 25,000.
Okay.
And the second is from one is from Dior. It's for 12,000.
Okay. Yeah, the guess was right then.
Okay. Do you think the price is justified for the first one?
Yeah, it's better for a man, but it's double the price, so not that much justified. If it's 12,000, this should be 15,000.
Okay, not that much over there.
Yeah.
The first one is from Amouage. It's a company based in Oman. It's for 25,000. The second one is from Dior. It's for 12,000.
I chose this one.
So you chose the expensive and you chose the cheap.
But it's better. But this is better, but I thought this is expensive.
Do you think the price is justified? Like this is
Like
20
for this, I don't think. For 12,000 is justified.
For
It's
this
fine. This one is fine. This is not.
overpriced.
Yeah. This is overpriced.
Thank you so much.